Recently, some Android users have complained about the auto brightness problem while playing PUBG Mobile issues on their Android, Xiaomi, Samsung, iPhone, and others. Now, if your auto brightness feature or light sensor is auto-working on your Android device, you must watch this video to learn some tricks to solve your PUBG brightness issues problem. Now, remember this problem happens when you have issues with the light sensor, bugs, or software. Often this can occur for hardware issues. Also can happen when you use a high graphics setting on PUBG Mobile. Now, to solve your problem, first, open PUBG gaming apps. Tap this arrow icon, tap Setting, tap Graphic and Audio. Now tap Reset Screen. Tap OK. Now go back from here and enable some important settings from your device. First, you need to swipe down from the top here. Now tap and hold the A icon. Now make sure to turn on the automatic brightness. After this process, open Setting, scroll down to Display, turn off Reading Mode. Now go back to your setting again. Scroll down, tap Battery, tap Settings, tap Battery Saver, choose Turn off this option. Now tap and hold the PUBG Mobile. Tap Battery Saver, choose No Restriction. After that, just restart your Android device and check your issues. Now if you still have problems, you need to follow the last two options. Open Setting, tap About the phone. Now look for new updates and update. Also, open the Google Play Store. Type PUBG. Now check for a new software update for the apps as well. After following all the processes, restart your Android device and your auto brightness issues will be solved for your PUBG Mobile. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.